Good day, everyone. Today, I will present a subtopic under graph theory called graph traversal, focusing on breadth first search and depth first search. These algorithms explain how we explore and move through a graph. First is, what is graph traversal? Graph traversal is a process of visiting each vertex in a graph in an organized way. It helps us understand the structure of a graph and how vertices are connected to one another. Why graph traversal is important? Graph traversal is very important in real life applications. It is used in searching information, routing networks, social media connections, and finding paths in maps and systems. Breadth First Search, or BFS, visits vertices level by level. It starts from one vertex and explores all its neighboring vertices before moving deeper. BFS uses a queue data structure and is useful for finding the shortest path in unweighted graphs. How do BFS works? In BFS, we begin at a starting vertex. It visits all adjacent vertices, then move to the next level until all vertices are visited. Depth First Search. Depth First Search, or DFS, explores a graph by going as deep as possible along one path before backtracking. It uses a stack or recursion. How DFS works. DFS starts at a vertex, moves to an unvisited neighbor, and continues deeper until it reaches a dead end. It then goes back to explore other paths. So, what is the difference between the BFS and DFS? BFS is best for finding shortest paths, while DFS is better for deep exploration and uses less memory in some cases. In applications, there are also both used in web crawling, maze solving, social network analysis, and detecting cycles in graph. In conclusion, graph traversal like BFS and DFS help us understand how graphs work in real systems. They are essential tools in computer science and problem solving. And that ends my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you better understand graphs and their importance.